All right, good morning, everyone. It is not December 1st, it is the 2nd. Good morning. Let me just get the live stream up on the other computer so I can see the chat. I'm sorry about the delay today. Look at that, 12/2/22. So cool. All right, I gotta do something else over here. Quick. And I was a bit late today because my girls have what's called a PED day up here. And so as a PED day, they have, they don't have to be there on time. And then of course, you know, time got away and then I go and they're like, Mommy, we don't have to rush, right? And I was like, well, now you do, you have to rush. So that's what happened for today. All right, all of that good jazz is in there. Let's go back over here. Let's go here. And we are going to rock it today. Amazing day. We had what looks like the, hold on, jobs report numbers. You're late too? All right, Roger, cool. Maybe it's just one of those days. It's a late Friday, right? Let's go. Hold on. I'm just going to do something quick. Go here, copy. And here. Usually 9:15, right, Roger? When it's an off day with my kiddos, it throws me off. All right, there we go. Let's flip everything over. Boom. Let's rock this. All right. So first up, we will create the limits. Let's go here, chain list. I'm going to speed through this. Probably not talk very much because I want to get everything out for everyone this AM. All right, so 407, 38, 293, 72, 186, 96. There we go. Those are the limits for today. What does that mean? Limit halts. If the market were to drop down that much, we would go into a limit halt scenario. All right. Let's go here. Limits. Watch list. 2. Hey, let's check out something else. Economist. Cover. What's our economist? China's COVID failure. Interesting. Okay, cool. Let's go over here. Let's make this 24 hours. Let's make this 45 minutes. Boom, came down to hit that 161 and bounce. Job reports whack up support and resistance. Oh yeah, they do. It's okay. We will map it out still, Roger. You know, we got this, right? All right. Not a problem. We will look at that point of control, right? Okay, so let's flip this. Edit here, window. Oops, that's not it. There we go. That's what I wanted. Done. Okay, so we can see right here we've got AMC, XPEV, Farfetch, Pinduoduo, and Path Software. Okay, for our shorts, Tesla, Apple, Amazon. Everything happens for a reason, right? If I had been right on time, I wouldn't be able to map out these awesome trades after the move. Let's see. NVIDIA. All right, cool. Okay, so let's go from the bottom up. NVIDIA, let's check it out. Let's put on a 15-minute chart. And right now, looking back over here, it looks like maybe that resistance right there, right? Because we'd seen, even if it comes up here. So we're going to use the 161. We'll do 167 as our upper bound. And below, look here, we have our 161 over here. So let's put this at 164.40. We could have that retracement back up to 169. So 164.40. and 167. I like to put the float so I know how much there is. 2.36 billion. All right, let's go here. Oh, you know what we didn't do first? Fear and greed, right? Fear is at 65. All right. I mean, excuse me, greed. I call it fear. Oh, let's do this. This goes in here. Watch list. There we go. And Forex Factory. Well, all the numbers are out. Non-farm unemployment rate was right in line. No, nothing new. But you know what? I know from the dark pools, it doesn't matter, right? They place their trades ahead of time and they move it however they want. If you guys want to learn more about the dark pools, come on over to the dark pools, the training pit. I do teach there every Monday. So let's take our screenshot here. I do my live stream every morning. The market is open. Oh, look, we happen to hit the 200 exponential moving average and pull back on NVIDIA. Is it a wonder now? No. All right. NVIDIA 2. All right. Meta. I don't like this song. Too techno-y. And Roger, you got to tell me. I forgot to flip it back. Let's go back. Let's look at NVIDIA, right? So I was looking at NVIDIA right here. We pulled back. 24-hour, we hit the 200. Got to remind me sometimes there, Roger. Play peekaboo, right? Oil, silver and gold are definitely on the move. Okay, so we've got the 117. We'll bring it down to 116.50. It might just come down to 116.24. And then let's look at the bigger picture as well. Let's see. No, I think we're pretty good. Okay, let's go 15 minutes. I'm going to bring it to this resistance over here, 118.40, and the 4 EMA. Good morning, everyone. Don't be shy. Join in the chat. Welcome, welcome. I see you there. All right, let's check out Amazon. Oh, look. See, we had some dark pool activity, and oh my goodness, we are below it. What do you think that means? Roger, give him some insight. What does it mean, Roger? All right, look at how we had support, or excuse me, resistance, resistance, boom, support 93. We are down below. Let's see if it holds 93.80 here. No, okay, we're going to bring it up a little bit. Right here, 94.20. You can still chat. I can see it when it's public. I can see it on the screen right here in front of me, so it's easier. I don't have to flip my head with the new software. When I make it for members only, I have to look on the other side. All right, again, Apple. Apple dark pool volume. Interesting. And we're below it. Okay, let's look at the 15-minute here. Yeah, it looks like we could bring it down to 146 now. We'll bring it down to 146.80 and 145. Sometimes in life too, you will map out trades and then you have to remap them out. What direction? Hey, there was a short trade before the market opened. Is it going to continue? Maybe. Might be a fill the gap back up to close. So be aware. They took the money and ran. Or they took the money and got arrested. Oh, did I say that? FTX. Ooh. All right. Pull this down here. 192. 189.40. See if there's any new ones over here. Neo. I know you like Neo. We'll put Neo on here for you. It's back up above 10. Get rid of Path. Neo, AMC, XPEV. Okay. All right, inside day here might be a little tough, but we had consolidation yesterday, so maybe this is going to pop today. So 12.40 and 11.92. Who looks innocent? Here's the thing. If all of this stuff happened, like Bernie Madoff type scenario, but he's not arrested, is it because it's not regulated? It was okay because it's not regulated? Isn't that weird? All right, looks like maybe we're topping out here. This is the fifth day after earnings. Maybe the selling has come into effect up here. Pinduoduo Chinese stock trades overseas, so gappy just like Baba. So I'm going to put it here 83 and 85.40. Usually I am done at this time. It's just I got a late start because of my kiddos today, so this is an unusual hour for me to be doing this. That's okay. All right, FTCH. Far-fetch is pretty far down there. If this drops below 5, we might see some bigger selling happening. It does have a potential to gap down since we were below the candle here of yesterday, or retrace up to 650. We'll put 592, could have a 6 test, and then 550. All right, XPEV had red earnings, but it was a pop on earnings. We've come back to the 4 EMA. Is this going to be a channel? And then the next wave up, wave 3 for Elliott wave people? Or will this has the potential to go from 980 down to 960. If we go above 1020, 1025, we're going to put it 1025. Then I'd look for 1040, 50, 60. AMC, baby. All right, so AMC, we hit the 161 EMA yesterday. We are in between the close from yesterday and the 4 EMA. We might retrace back down to the 4 EMA, roughly 789. So we'll put this down here, 780. If it goes below that, there could be a bigger move down. Or if it moves up above 860, we could see a surge continue to move to the upside. I just realized I forgot to put XPEV stuff over there. 515. Let's check something pretty cool. Let me take the picture here. On 980 and 1025. I'll check the float. Let's check something on AMC short, which is cool. So if you go to AMC, whoops, AMC short sale volume. Okay, that's fine. You can show me on daily. All right, big short sale volume overnight last night. We could see that this really explodes into a short squeeze. So check it out. Let's see if it moves up, then a very good chance for this to squeeze higher. So keep that in mind. All right, and let's look at DIA. What time is it? 55. Let's go here. Let's go over here. I'm just going to upload stuff to the website. If you prefer not to watch a video live, you can also sign up for my watch list on my website at cjanetrade.com. I prefer the video. It's interactive. You can ask all the questions you can. It looks like it was right in line. Non-farm payroll. Oh yeah, it was a little higher. Yeah, 63,000, but unemployment rate stayed the same. Hourly earnings went up 0.6%. Unemployment rate in Canada dropped a little bit. All right. So this is one of my favorite tools. It's called the point of control, or volume profile point of control. I do it from 4 a.m. today and 4 a.m. yesterday to see, are we below? Boom, we are below right now, but I would put below 339, excuse me, 340 and above 344.50. I don't want to get messed up in the chop of the chopped salad. Let's go to Russell. Multitasking, updating the website at the same time here. All right, no, go back, pictures, watch lists. Shift, there we go. Okay, those are uploading, awesome. All right, so let's do it for the Russell over here. The little Russell dog, Jack Russell. All right, so we are below over here. Pull it down here, 183. Looks like that was pretty strong. Actually, I'm gonna put it up a little bit higher, 183.20. We did come down once and it bounced. We are testing this trend line here. So for the Russell, I'm gonna put it down a little bit further down here. Actually, I'm gonna adjust the Dow Jones too. So the more aggressive trade would be, more conservative would be wait until we're up above 187.20. If you're going for a day trade scalp, from 185 to close. So let's look at Dow Jones from the, put it right here, 342.31 up to close. Escape. 342.30. That's the point of control from yesterday. All right, let's look at the Russell. I did that. Let's go here, the Qs. Down here, 286, just visually. And I'm gonna put it right here, 290. Okay, let's see if the points of control tell me anything different. Are we below? We are below. So 286 and 290.50. So first would be retracement back to close, which is right here, and then more conservative up above 294. Okay. Put it below this right here, 399.60, and above 403. Oops. Undo. All right. Undo. Enter. So 399.60 and 403. Let me take a picture of this quick. All right. 2 seconds while I update my website here. website updated. Now we can go over anything else you want to check out. Let's look at the points of control here. So that is all done on the website. I have that up by 9 o'clock. Pretty much no matter what's going on, right? I was a little bit late start. Okay, so we are below and below, right? So 403, more conservative on the SPY is if we go up above 408, would watch for a test up here, 409.40. And that's it for the SPY. I also really love the 3-day chart. So 3-day chart, we were hitting that 161. We accelerated. We are down below at 401.70 right now. So hanging out right here where this yellow line is. So we could bounce off of this candlestick right here and then move to the upside. I don't even need this right here. Let's get rid of that. All right. So watch to see that 409 area. And let's see how many shares in XPEV. We have 655 million. Hold on one second. Let me just update the images of the charts. Oh, put the new charts there yesterday, but I didn't write December. Okay, so let's also look at the dollar. 3-day chart on the dollar. We're testing, we drop below, bounce back up. Are we going to hang out here? Are we going to move lower, which would likely drive up commodities, right? So that would likely drive up commodities. All right, website fully updated. All right, now, so silver, we had that move down or move back on the dollar, and that has caused silver to decrease a bit, also gold as well, and oil as well. So you can see we're hitting the 161 on the 3-day for oil and rejecting. Right now we are between the 4 and the 8 EMA right there. All right, do you guys have any questions before I wrap it up for today? I'm about to jump on over to another meeting, and I'm going to be doing my live streams again, recaps at noon every day. If you'd like to join me live for my watch list every morning, please join as a member on YouTube, and you'll be able to see my live streams every morning. This is First Friday free, every first Friday of the new month. It is a free live for everyone. All right, so have an amazing day. Carpe Profit, seize those profits one trade at a time, and I will see you at 12 o'clock today. Reminder as well, if you'd like to learn more about the dark pools, come on over to the darkpools.com training pit, and I am one of the educators there. I will be educating you on